Welcome to our room tour on board Carnival Jubilee. We are staying in room 12494. It's an ocean view balcony stateroom on the port side of the ship near the aft location. Pardon our mess as we missed videoing the first day that we were on the ship. They have a mini fridge beverage cooler in room, shelving, lots of plug-ins, little side lights that come up for reading or to help you see at night. Some USBs for extra charging space, and a lighted makeup mirror. Getting around the end of the bed is a little bit tight, but the bed is lifted off the floor so you have room for your luggage. The balcony was a nice size standard balcony and was pretty relaxing to sit out here and enjoy the view. Charging stations next to the bed, which was nice for charging our phones at night. More reading lights. I believe the sofa also pulls out, and there you can see the storage under the bed. Our suitcases fit nicely so we weren't tripping on them. In the first closet there's some nice baskets to help hold your clothes and an in-room safe. And the other closet has a full-length mirror, shelving, and hangers. Now we're walking into the Marketplace Cafe. This is the buffet. You wash your hands. And then as you can see, there's lots of seating up here. That's different from other cruise ships that we've been on. The buffet was out today. This was breakfast. The only issue we had, there's an ice cream machine. The only issue we had was the bacon station was a popular place. So if you want bacon, you have to get mud. Big Chicken is one of the restaurants included in the price of the cruise fare. Looks like they had some breakfast this morning. Let's see how Morgan measures up to Shaq. Put both hands in. Both of her hands fit in one kiss. Here, let me try.
Dad should try with his big hands.
Dad should try.
I'll probably be up to here. Walked out quickly. They said it's
We found the smoking section. Deck 16, or deck 17 aft. And lots of loungers on deck 17. People playing pickleball today. And it looks like boat is rolling. If you want to do a roller coaster at sea, this is the ship to do that.
We'll be raising money, raising awareness, and send you. Now, membership right now today, it's all about $5,000 jackpot bingo. That's 10K with a Hopwood. We're calling all of our some great savings in our shops. It's your last chance to shop tax and duty free at sea. Today you can rise and shine on every boutique with their diamonds for breakfast. That's up on deck number 8. And it's the last chance for 2 t-shirts for $30. That's on deck number 7. If you've been there, get the t-shirt. We've got a beanbag.
Not good. There's the bathroom on this deck. And you have to go up to get to the water slides, but they can't.
Mickey's doing good. Now wait a second. It's going farther away. First it gets close. You go down.
Hang on, I'm trying to get that bucket.
People hitting against those windows and everything.
Yeah, and this is also since it's for just putting.
Yeah,
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay.
that's why it's called putt-putt.
Okay. Ready? And wherever you hit, Mimi, wherever I normally don't like.
Oh, you did good, Morgan. Oh, it got.
No! Second.
So 18 has its own set of elevators.
She goes press the button.
Now we're going into the kids club, and we were lucky enough to get our own personal tour.
This is the shark's room for the 9 to 11 mostly. And I have the stingray room. Just like that. I'm bad at giving tours.
No, it's okay.
So I have this room right here. That's the stingray room.
What age are stingrays?
Age groups, the stingrays are 6 to 8.
6 to 8.
And if it's And if it's video game time, that's kids' choice. The 6 to 11, we combine both age groups, and then they'll be
The 6 to 11 can be combined.
during kids' choice for video game time.
Oh, that's neat.
So you can go through if you want.
Lots of
That's it.
gaming here for the older, the tween age.
Then the room you didn't get to see. The room you didn't get to see is the penguins room. I have a family in there, so
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Well, that's really neat. And it
This
makes a big
is it.
circle.
It makes a big circle. So basically that's it.
So the kids come in, they wash their hands, and then they
Wash
can.
their hands if they want water. We have water here. Oh, we also have bathrooms inside as well.
Yeah.
I'll show you those.
And then they get to go have fun.
Then they go ahead. They get to go have fun. She's running away.
That's really neat. She said Bookville is for families that can be accessed anytime. It's not just for the kids.
It's different from the 2 to 17. They can come anytime.
Down on deck 4 are the family harbor rooms and suites. You can see that the carpet changed. All these rooms down here are made for families. Larger families are able to stay together in one room. And they get their exclusive family harbor lounge. Mm-hmm. They have their own breakfast buffet. The Havana Stateroom and Suites are on deck 8. Looks like they're doing rehearsals. These 2 restaurants cost extra. We hope you enjoyed our ship tour of Carnival Jubilee. Remember, life's short. Take the trip.
That's why I stopped. I remember